Hello students. Students, let us continue with the 5.1 exercise. It's question number 9. Question is 1 upon 3 plus 3 iota its whole cube. You know students, the identity we having, that is a plus b its whole cube, that is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. We are making the use of this identity to solve this question. So what you will say, student, this is 1 by 3 its whole cube. Even what you can do, students, we can take its LCM to make it more easier. So this will come as 1 plus 9 iota upon 3 its whole cube, right? So from there, because this 3 having cube, we can take it odd side, that is 1 by 27 is odd side. Now here this is 1 plus 9 iota. On that we will apply this identity, that is 1 cube plus 9 iota its cube, students, plus 3 into a into b, that is 9 iota into a plus b, that is 1 plus 9 iota is there. So here what we can say, this is 1 by 27 here. This is 1, 9 its power is 3, that is 729 iota cube. Here this is 9 3s are 27 iota into 1 plus 9 iota, students. Clear? Now this is 1 by 27, here 1 minus, because student, this iota cube is minus iota. So 729 iota will be there. Now 27 iota is multiplied by 1. This is 27 iota minus, now this 27 is multiplied by 9. It will come as equal to 243 iota square. This is 243 iota square is there, students. Now what you will say, this is 1 by 27 into 1, because they both can be, because in the first step write them as it is, because in the next step I will tell you, because here this is iota square, this will come as equal to minus 1, this is of plus 243 now, students. Here now we will add the real part with the real part and imaginary part with the imaginary part, right, students? This is iota square is there, but here this is plus sign is there, students. Here is the plus sign. So iota square, that is equal to minus 1, right, students? So if there is the plus sign, iota square is equal to minus sign, here minus sign will come, that is minus 243. Make it clear, students, while 27 iota is multiplied by 9 iota, it is 243 iota square, right? And iota square is there, that is equal to minus 1, and it will come as minus 243. Now this is 1 by 27. Now we will collect the real part with the real part and imaginary part with the imaginary part. 279 plus 27 iota here, students. So what you will say, this is 1 by 27, and here it will come as but 242, and here is the minus sign, students, and this will come as equal to 702 iota, right? Now what you will do, we will divide them. This is minus 242 upon 27 is there, minus 702 by 27 iota, right? Here what we can say, students, even we can cancel them. 9 3s are 27 with 9, 9 7s are 63, so 7 is left, 9 8s are 72 with 2 3 3 2s are 6, 1 7, 18 is there, 3 6 are 18, right, students? So what we can say, that our answer is 242 by 27 plus into minus 26 iota. They are now in the form of what? A plus iota b here, students. So this formula, that is, we are using this identity a plus b its whole cube to solve this question. So in those questions, what you do, students, make it simpler. That is what I have done here. I have taken their LCM, and by LCM I have taken this 1 by 3 its cube, that is 1 by 27 outside there. After that, very easily this answer you will get. If you will read the statement of the question number 10, student, this is similar question as like question number 9. Now let us come with the question number 11 to 13 are there. We have to find out their multiplicative inverse, students. So first part is 4 minus 3 iota. So first of all we will write the multiplicative inverse of 4 minus 3 iota. This is equal to 1 over 4 minus 3 iota, students, right? This is the multiplicative inverse. In the introduction round I have told you how we will write the multiplicative inverse. Clear, students? Now after that, what is the way to solve these questions? That is equal to 1 over 4 minus 3 iota. B, we will rationalize it, students. While you will rationalize, you know this will come as equal to 4 plus 3 iota upon 4 plus 3 iota, right, students? Now this is in the numerator is multiplied with the numerator, so it will come as 4 plus 3 iota. This is now 4 square minus 3 iota, its square is there, right? Or it will come as equal to 4 plus 3 iota upon 4 4s are 16 minus 3 iota, 3 square is 9 iota square. So this will come as 4 plus 3 iota, and student here this is 16, because again you know that iota square is equal to minus 1. This will come as plus 9 then, or we can say that 4 plus 3 iota upon 25, or we can write it as 4 upon 25 plus 3 by 25, that is iota then, students. Now it will come in the form of what? A plus iota b, right, students? So this is your question number 11. If you will see the question number 12, this is exactly same, students. So let us come with question number 13. The question is, we have to find out the multiplicative inverse of minus iota. This is a different type of the question, students. While we will write the multiplicative inverse of this, again you know that the multiplicative inverse of minus iota, that is equal to 1 over minus iota, right, students? So what you will do to solve this question? Again we will rationalize it, that is iota upon iota. So it will come as iota, but here in the denominator it will come as equal to iota square. Now students, you all know that this is iota square is equal to minus 1. So already minus is there, it will come as plus 1, means it will come as equal to iota. And if you want to write in the form of a plus iota b, then it will come as 0 plus 1 iota. And that is the answer of question number 13. Now students, let us come with question number 14. 3 plus iota under root 5 into 3 minus iota under root 5 upon under root 3 plus under root 2 iota minus into under root 3 minus iota under root 2. Now in the numerator, if you will see, student, this is a plus b, a minus b, that is in the form of a square minus b square, right? And in the denominator, what you will do? We will remove their bracket, and it will come as under root 3 plus 2 under root 2 iota minus under root 3 plus under root 2 iota, right, students? This 3 will, under root 3 will cut out with under root 3, and here we will solve it now. 3 square, that is equal to 9, minus under root 5 square, that is 5 iota square, right? And here they both will be added and will come as 2 under root 2 iota, right? Now students, this iota square, you know, that is equal to iota square, that is equal to minus 1, so it will come as equal to plus 5. 9 plus 5 upon 2 under root 2 iota, that is equal to, we can even cancel them, it is 7 now, and we will rationalize this one, students, here, that is under root 2 iota upon under root 2 iota. This is 7 under root 2 iota and under root 2 is 2, iota into iota, that is equal to iota square, that is minus 1 minus 2 here students. Now, and this minus we will take in the numerator, or it will be written because there is no real part, so we will write 0 minus 7 under root 2 upon 2 iota. This is the answer of the question number 14. With that question, your exercise 5.1 is over students.